Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. Welcome to Saurabh with English. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm talking about if you understand English but you don't speak English and you think about yourself when I understand English, so why I'm not able to speak English. So first of all, you think about yourself when you're able to understand English, so why you not able to speak English? Because you don't do speaking practice every day. Because if you want to speak fluent and clear, so you have to do hard work and you have to do speaking every day. And if you think about yourself, I don't have friend, I don't have environment about English, so I think you don't need to environment about English. You don't need to friend. You only need to yourself. You only need to your phone. Because if even you don't have a phone, so you can speak English front the mirror, because mirror is the best friend. You talk about anything whatever you want to that time, because you have to speaking practice every day. Focus only speaking practice. That's the mean you don't able to speak English. And if you afraid to make mistake, so don't afraid to make mistake, because if you do mistake, so that mistake change you, that mistake improve yourself. So I think you don't afraid to make mistake. Always speak clear and take time then speak, because many people speak fast because they want to fluent speak, they want to clear speak, but nothing. Because if you are beginner, you have to understand one point: you speak slow, because when you speak slow, your mind take time, and your mind take to time and translate that sentence whatever you want to speak that time. That's the reason when we go to speak and they forget vocab, because you don't use to vocab during your day. If you are learn vocab every day but you don't use, so I think one day you forget it. You speak yourself, and suppose that if you learn one vocab and you don't use it, so that's a mean you forget it. You talking about yourself and you talking about your day. And if you have a phone, so you can recording yourself. Even you recording few minutes something you're doing great, because enough for you, because you are a beginner. And I think you don't speak better. You know what? Why? Because you speak long sentences. Because when we are beginner, we focus to speak big sentences, and then we go to speak sentence, and we don't speak. And then that time I think we can't learn English, because English is so hard. English is not so hard. You make a hard English. You know what? Why? Because you used to big sentences. I think you should start to small sentences, because when you go to speak small sentences, then that time you build your confidence. And confident is a most important, because without confidence you can't speak English. Something people think about I can speak English, but when they go to speak English they forget. You know what? Why? Because they don't have confidence. You have to build your confidence. And many people want to build confidence, but they always watch video about it, they don't do move forward. You only watch necessary video and do move forward. Don't too much think about it. You only focus practice, and think positive. You know what? Why? Because suppose that if you think about yourself, I can speak English, and you don't do practice every day, you miss your day. And sometimes you practice, sometimes you don't practice. So I think you waste your time. If you want to learn English, so you have to do practice every day, then you can learn English in 3 months. Because when I was learning English, I think grammar, I think about English, if you want to learn English, I think is a important grammar, most important vocab. But not, if you have enough vocab you can speak English easily. You don't need to friend, you don't need to environment. you only need to your self confident and build your confident. Try to speak with the people and even lot of people around you, and you can speak English. Even you speak English few minutes, so I think that time you can make lot of confident. So speak short sentences. When you speak short sentences, then you can speak better your future. So don't translate in English too much, because if you are beginner so you can translate, but if you are not beginner, I think you shouldn't translate English, because many people translating English so take time too much, but they don't speak proper. But I think if you are taking time to translate too much, and when you not able to speak proper, so I think you shouldn't translate too much. First of all, if you listening English every day, so I think you something doing you great. Because if you are listening English and you watch, suppose that if you watch a English movie and there was a one vocab you don't understand, so write a vocab your own notebook. If you don't have your own notebook, so I think you must make your own notebook, because that's important. If you can learn English, I already know you can learn English, but if you want to learn anything, so I think you have to make your own notebook. Because when I was learning English, I I was watching movies, and whatever I didn't understand vocab, I written my own diary, and I try to speak during day that vocab. So you can do these things easily. Make your own diary and speak clear and fluent. This video little bit helpful for you. Please subscribe me and follow me, because I will make video regular for you. Bye guys.